Alright, hey YouTube. This is my new bike check. Just adding this. Alright, start from the front end. Alright, so we got ADI grips, long necks, pretty nice. United Trinity bars, pretty cool. Corey Martinez edition. Primo Annihilator stem, super nice. Forks, or headset, my bad. Just Eastern, repainted it though, it's black. Forks, fit shift 2s, sit top cap up here. Wheel, alienation, UL, just some stock. Tire, Primo Comet. Tomorrow, Christmas Day, I'm getting 2 Demolition 2.35s, thank God. Middle, we got Shadow, slimmer seat. It's pretty nice. Jeez, I'm so sick. Pedals, Colony Fantastics. They're nice. Cranks, Profile, TI GDHs. There's the whole. Sprocket, Subrez the Skeleton Crew. It's pretty nice. Chain, normal KMC, whatever. That's pretty much sticker. Bottom bracket, Colony. Oh, can't really see it. Whatever, nothing special. Back wheel, custom, Eastern Venus. Hub, Fly Bikes rim. Pretty sick. TI spokes. Rear tire, Maxxis, Miracle. It's whatever. Yeah. Frame. Oh, sorry, I almost forgot. Got a DC badge right there. It's Miracle chocolate. It's pretty nice. The sound of the hub is I'll spin it a little bit for you. Yeah, there's my bike. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Later.